BJP spokesperson joining us here, and Preeti and I will ask some questions to him because we are at Maurya Hotel, and this is where just now, a few minutes ago, the Sankalp Patra of the NDA has been unveiled. Guru, my question is that why is the BJP leadership hesitating in not announcing Nitish Kumar as the chief ministerial face, and that if and when, in case on 14th you form the government, will Nitish Kumar be the chief minister?
There is no if, there is only when. It's going to be 14th of November. But let me make this very clear on your show that we are fighting under the collective leadership of Mr. Nitish Kumar, and there is absolutely no doubt or denial about it. In 2005, also back then, Nitish Kumarji's party was less in number in terms of arithmetic, but we made a commitment, and our relationship go back as long as 1995. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji ensured that Nitish Kumarji becomes the chief minister, and this time also, I think any speculation about the chief ministerial post is nothing but a waste of time.
But I'll tell you why, Guru Prakash, there is speculation. It stems from the fact, let's go back to the political rally that the Prime Minister addressed yesterday. There were enough opportunity till now that the top leadership of your party has had to clarify that he will be the chief ministerial face. Why there's speculation? Even yesterday, the Prime Minister said, जब NDA का मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा, उस वक्त से विकास शुरू होगा. तो अभी तक NDA का मुख्यमंत्री नहीं था, क्या विकास बिहार में नहीं था? That's a question that will be raised by the opposition as well. Enough opportunity given to both, the Home Minister and the Prime Minister to clarify the air on the chief ministerial face. Why queer the pitch?
See, you are reading too much into it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made it sufficiently clear on multiple occasions. He has called Nitish Kumar Bihar ka beta. And I think, absolutely.
But not the chief ministerial face.
You look at it. We are fighting under his leadership, Preeti. This is not the first time. We have had a very long relationship. And for us, for the Bharatiya Janata Party people, we take inspiration from Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. He equated the term coalition to dharma. Coalition is akin to dharma to us. And that is the level of respect and recognition that we have for someone like Mr. Nitish Kumar. You very well...
Guru, did you nibhao the coalition dharma in Maharashtra?
Absolutely. I think in Maharashtra also we have a very strong coalition relationship with all our political parties, with all the relevant stakeholders. And when it comes to Bihar, you have to understand that Bihar is very particular, Bihar is very peculiar. Mr. Nitish Kumar was projected as a face not today, 25 years ago. For God's sake, you have to realize he was a union minister of railways. He was so close to Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. The camaraderie between Mr. Nitish Kumar and Mr. Sushil Kumar Modi is still being talked about.
But Guru, nobody is denying that, right? Nobody is denying what the camaraderie was. Nobody is denying that the Prime Minister or the BJP is not giving him his due status of what he has meant to Bihar and the political change that he ushered in Bihar. Nobody is denying that. What is being contested today is what you have left open on your own account, which is not you, which is your political outfit, to suggest that we are fighting under his leadership, right? But will he be the leader? Will he be the chief minister? You have left a question mark on that.
Just doing a word play, Preeti. On the ground, nothing is being contested at all. Did you notice the level of comfort which is there on the stage today? Mr. Chirag Paswan, Mr. Nitish Kumar went to Chirag Paswan's place to give his blessings on the day of Chhath. It's such an auspicious occasion. There is absolute clarity in terms of policy, in terms of leadership, and in terms of...
But Guru, and Maria, in Bihar especially, where there is a cult personality contest, especially like a cult personality like Nitish Kumar, should and can you leave anything open to wordplay? Will it cost you? Because...
No. There is a certain section who are consciously trying to develop this sense of confusion, but there is absolutely no confusion. There is clarity when it comes to leadership. We are going in 2025 election with the collective leadership and the face of Mr. Nitish Kumar. There is absolutely no doubt and no denial of that.
All right, Guru Prakash Paswan, really appreciate your time. Thank you.